Feeling stuck with money? These 10 quotes will flip your mindset, fuel your motivation, and push you toward real wealth, starting today. Don't just watch, let this ignite your next move. Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Move IQ YouTube channel, where smart money minds get sharper. Today, I'm sharing my top 10 motivational money quotes, and we'll break each one down with real-world strategies and trending financial moves you can make right now. Money isn't the goal, freedom is. But money gives you the key. This one's deep. Forget fancy cars. Focus on freedom. Start by building income streams, dividend stocks, side hustles, even AI-powered investing apps like Robinhood or Wealthfront. Wealth is built one smart decision at a time. Make your next move count. You don't need a fortune, just a plan. That next move, maybe it's putting $100 into an S&P 500 ETF or cutting one bad spending habit a week. Every dollar has a job. Don't let yours be unemployed. This mindset shift is massive. Budgeting equals control. Use apps like YNAB or Good Budget to assign every dollar a task. Debt crushing, investing, or saving. Passive income is silent power. Build it before you need it. Think. REITs, royalties, high-yield savings accounts, or even a monetized YouTube channel. Passive income isn't extra, it's essential. You can't control the market, but you can control your mindset. Whether it's crypto swings or real estate dips, focus on what you can do. Diversify, stay consistent, and keep learning. Small money moves today can create big opportunities tomorrow. A $50 weekly auto investment in an index fund over 10 years could snowball into serious gains. Automation is your friend. Stop chasing trends. Start building habits that outlive them. Forget meme stocks. Focus on sustainable habits. Automatic investing, consistent saving, and learning one new thing about finance each week. Invest in assets, not appearances. Your future self will thank you. Instead of that $300 sneaker drop, think fractional real estate apps like Fundrise or buying into undervalued tech ETFs. Financial freedom doesn't come from what you earn, but what you keep and grow. High income means nothing if it leaks out fast. Plug the leaks, track expenses, optimize taxes, and reinvest your gains. The real flex? Financial peace, not financial pressure. Don't flex for strangers. Build a portfolio that lets you sleep well. Peace over pressure, always. Which quote hit hardest for you? Drop it in the comments and share this with someone building their money mindset. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Money Move IQ YouTube channel for more weekly financial power-ups. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.